Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I want to share with you what is the first thing you need to do after you have created your GetResponse account. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new email list. Okay, so an email list is a group of subscribers that you want to group them together. So you can go to contacts over here, click on contacts, and it will show you all the lists that you have. But because your account is new, so you may not be seeing any list over here. So you can create a new list by clicking on this button over here, create list. So just click on it and it will ask you for the name that you want to give this list. So for example, this is a group of subscribers that you want to put them under a list called website mailing list. Okay, so I'm going to create a list. So this list will store all the subscribers that come from my website. Also take note that this name website mailing list will be seen by the subscribers. So you may not want to enter any words that is not appropriate for your subscribers to see. Okay, so after you enter the name for the list, just click create. Then you can scroll down to find the new list that you have created. Okay, website mailing list. So this is the new list that I've created, and then I will go to this option over here and scroll down and click on settings. I'm going to show you what it means for some of the list settings so that you can do the most appropriate configuration for your list. So this list setting consists of three tabs. One is general, another one is subscription, another one is confirmation message. Okay, so the list name, you can change it over here. For this tab over here, general, you can see there's a list title, description, category. You can leave all the option on this page here blank by default. You don't need to fill in anything. Okay, for general. And then let's move on to subscription. So for this tab is that it will ask you, do you want to receive notification when someone subscribe to your list? So normally I will enable it and I select one of my email to get notification. Okay. And for this option require additional confirmation, double opt-in. It means that if someone were to enter their name and email in your website, do you need them to confirm again by receiving a verification email before they officially subscribe to your list? If yes, you can just select this option. Normally, I will leave this off. So which means that there are no double opt-in. So it's just single opt-in, which means upon them entering their name and email in my website, they will straight away put under my mailing list. Okay. And for the others, you can leave it by default as well. So not so much needed to change the setting over here. As for this confirmation message tab, it is only relevant if you select double opt-in web subscription over here. Okay, so if you leave this option off, then you do not need to do anything for this confirmation message tab here. So basically, it's quite straightforward in the list settings. Most of the settings you can leave it by default. And unless you want the double opt-in, then you need to come in here and enable the subscription. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful to create your first mailing list. You can go ahead to create as many lists as you want, because under the GetResponse, the most basic paid plan, you can create unlimited mailing list in your GetResponse. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the description Q&A. See you in the next video. Thank you.